David, a record year in a pandemic. I mean, just imagine what you could do if there wasn't a pandemic going on.
That was, we was really surprised, to be honest with you, to see that the way this year has just gone.
What's led to it? How have you achieved it, do you think?
It's just consistency of work, I believe, and we've just tried to help our customers as much as we can.
When you look at some of the complex components that you actually machine here, why do you use EDM when maybe you could use a milling or a turning operation?
The key points with EDMs is just predominantly for its accuracy, its consistency, and time again, the quality, what you actually receive off the machine themselves.
Your latest investment, the Grob G350 with the turning application here. Now, tell us a little bit about that journey, why you chose a Grob, because when I look through your machine tool hall, it's a big jump from sort of 3-axis to a Grob machine.
It is. I was kind of limited on choice because of the kind of setup that I wanted. I wanted more of your basic kind of 5-axis mill, but with the luxury of being able to turn a component at the same time.
Now, this huge machine behind me you will have seen on our channels previously. We were here just a few weeks ago doing a buy now, pay next year deal. Now, this machine has actually been sold as a result of that promotion. And in fact, it's not just this machine that's been sold into a company in the West Midlands, it's also this Vesta 1300B equipped with a 12,000 RPM spindle. This is a real high performance machining centre. And it's also the Dali machines that are moving quickly thanks to the promotional campaign that we did. This one going to a local company here in Sheffield. In fact, any of the 40 plus machines available from stock here at Ward High Tech can be delivered and installed within a matter of days.
This year has been our busiest year ever. We've managed to move premises, invest in 2 pieces of new equipment on maintain our progression for the business. We've invested heavily in the last 5 years with a number of brand new machines, and this is bringing us to the next level, really.
So how are you going to progress?
Well, along with the investment that we've done, we're a family business. My wife and I see that the progression of the business in Alex's hands for the future.
Great British Sports Cars, we're a niche vehicle manufacturer. We produce our own lightweight sports car. It's all manufactured and built in Great Britain. We've took a different model to a lot of our competitors in this year in that we've actually wanted to build, manufacture and design the whole car in-house.
Sean, as Managing Director of the company here, you must be very proud of this investment here in this Correa Fox 60 machine. It's going to take your company forward, isn't it?
Today I'm in Coventry, outside Exactaform, and I'm going to learn how Hymer has helped these stay top of their game and deliver time and time again for their customers.
These shelves around me are full of parts for motorcycles. Now, Shoei Performance have just purchased their first vertical machining centre of Fanuc Robodrill, and they're a very happy customer.
Recently done some technical corners on a Vice and some how-to videos, so you've been very proactive during this period.
Yes, we've got some good products out there. I think we did something on the quick change power chuck. Resulting from that, we sold 3, I think, within the next 2 months. What was the other things we did as well?
The how-to videos that we've recently did that you'll be able to find on the NTD platform.
Yes,
now these are very educational.
Yes, where it's something that you sell a lot of chucks, but as well as doing sales, you've got to do support to people. And I think that's a good thing we've started up here. And some of it's basics, but what you're finding is that you go to see companies and the guys that have been there many years, it comes second nature to them. But then the guys that are coming through, the youngsters, do they pick up on this sort of stuff?